When client came to us, he just came with a piece of paper and they just showed us the the land area. Then they asked us to visit the site. So when we visited the site, even I was surprised because this site is right bang on the SG road, yet it was hidden for so many years. So I was literally surprised. It was such a serene place. It is very well connected to the SG road, and I think that is the futuristic road of Gujarat, which has all the possible transportation system. Metro is connected to SG road, BRTS, and of course it is going to be 8-lane very soon. So I think, and even the schooling, domestic help, and it is very well connected right in the center of the city. I think it is the one of the best place to live in. So the first proposal what we gave to client was a commercial building. So immediately he said, we don't want to go for a commercial building. Strictly he said, no, we want a high-end apartment, 4 BHK apartment. So I was surprised because normally in this kind of area, and the connectivity is so good to the SG road. So any normal builder will go for a commercial building, but he was so aggressive, and he himself is so positive to give something to their client, particularly residential client. I think his aggressiveness to deliver something to the end user, I think that was the key factor. Then eventually we decided to go for a residential building. The one end of the plot is, of course, it is connected to the SG road, and there are 2 roads are going across it. So eventually it is like a it is like an island on that heartline of the Ahmedabad. I think privacy was the key challenge because building is rightly connected to the SG road. I think that is the most busiest road of the Ahmedabad, and we are making a high-end residential apartment next to it. One end of the building is facing east and the other end of the building is facing west. So what is happening here is during the morning you are getting such a soft morning light, and in evening you are getting sunset light. Again, it's a soft light. It is coming through the other end of the apartment. So throughout the day you are getting natural light, uninterrupted light, and a good quality of air, which is very important to maintain IAQ, indoor air quality. Since we are having only 2 apartments on each floor, every apartment has uninterrupted views, a panoramic view of the entire SG road. So right from the Vaishno Devi circle to the Karnavati club, you will have a panoramic view of the SG road. I think that is again a great feature when you are sitting in the balcony or you are walking in the kitchen. So one of the key design factor of this apartment is main congregational area of the apartment. I think that is the living room, normally, which is very important for Indian family, because most of the time all the family members, they do get together in the living room, and I think this has the biggest living room in its segment. I think working with Akshar, particularly Kalpesh Bhai, who was the main person who's handling this project, I think it was a wonderful journey with him. He was extremely cooperative in terms of any kind of innovation. And what is great thing about Akshar Group is they always wanted to give more to their customers. They gave us a lot of freedom to design, a lot of freedom to explore the space, and I think it was great experience to work with them.